Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude AI with Gmail. So the first thing that you would like to do is simply go and open any browser. And if you go to claude.com, make sure that you're logged in into your account. So from here, you can go and click on your profile icon at the bottom left. Then make sure to go and click on settings. Once you are right here, go and click on connectors. And the connectors have been moved to customize. So go and click on customize. And here you do have Google Drive and GitHub integration. But for us, we'll click on the plus icon here and click on browse connectors. So from here, I'm just going to look for Gmail. And here we are. We can just go and click on it. As you can see, you'll be able to draft replies, summarize threads, and basically search your inbox. So click on connect, and as you can see, you'll be taken here. Click on your account, make sure to continue and give it access. So select all to let us view your emails and manage drafts and send emails. Click on continue. And here you should be good to go. As you can see, you'll find here at the top right, it is connected to Gmail. So right here, you'll be able to edit some settings. So you can allow or choose if something needs approval, or you can block it. Like example, if you want to write or delete some emails, maybe it needs approval. If you want just to read, it's always approved. Or maybe you don't want, as example, to list any user's labels, so you can block the integration from doing that exactly. And basically the usage is pretty simple. You can just go and start a new chat, and you can, as example, just say what's in my inbox today as example, and make sure that the Gmail is connected. Click on the plus connectors and make sure the Gmail is activated. And all you need to do, just hit the enter button. And yeah, you'll just have to wait. As you can see, it will load the tool, search for your Gmail as example, and you should find everything. So here you'll find the importance and actions needed and everything, as you can see. So everything in my inbox will be listed here. And if you want to check, always you can verify with Gmail always. So the last thing was Timo, Zapier security, as it says here. So Zapier, Timo, and stuff like that. So yeah, as simple as that. Now you can ask it to do whatever you want with your Gmail, of course, depending on what you approved. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.